National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Shelby County, northwestern Logan County, northeastern Auglaize County, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:36 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Sydney, moving north at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Sydney, Wapakoneta, Anna, Jackson Center, Russells Point, Watkins, Lakeview, Waynes Field, Chippewa Park, Quincy, Port Jefferson, Uniopolis, Fryeburg, Mantra, St. John's, Maplewood, New Hampshire, Boone Center, Saunders, and Pemberton. This includes I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 92 and 116.